Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Shein and signing in. This links the gift card to your account and order history. Once logged in, make sure your shipping address and payment settings are current so checkout flows smoothly. Next, find the gift card code on a printed card or in an email and copy it exactly, including dashes. Also verify balance and expiration because an insufficient or expired card will stop you later. Resolving those issues now saves time and prevents failed payments during checkout. You add desired items and go to checkout because the gift card applies to the order total and shipping calculations. Once you reach payment, look for the gift card or promo code field. Shein may label it under payment options. Paste the code carefully and hit apply, then watch the total update. This confirms the code accepted. If partial coverage occurs, select a secondary payment method for the leftover amount. Keeping this sequence prevents accidental double charges or lost discounts. You finish by confirming the adjusted total, choosing shipping, and completing payment. This charges any remainder to your alternate method. If the gift card is rejected, first carefully retype or paste the code and check for typos. Zeros versus letter O are common mistakes. Also verify balance, region restrictions, and card activation. If problems persist, contact Shein support with your card details and screenshots. Finally, save the order confirmation and note the remaining gift card balance so you can reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.